Welcome. In this video, I will show you how to fix tearing and stuttering in games on XIAOMI G27Qi monitor. First of all, let's access the monitor settings. To do that, reach out for the joystick on the right, on the back side of your monitor that you can reach from the right. Drag the joystick to the right to open the OSD menu, and then if you have the game mode enabled, well, if you don't, enable it. So go to the game mode, select game mode and turn it on. And then also you can select select the sub mode for a specific game that you're trying to play, the game genre. So we have FPS, RPG and mobile here. I'm gonna select FPS for potential FPS stuttering. And now in the game mode settings, we want to go to response time and set it to fastest. Then also go to advanced settings in the first column and select FreeSync and turn it on. Okay, and now the last thing that we want to do is adjust the refresh rate. So make sure that you're using the maximum available refresh rate. To do that, go to System Settings. In System Settings, you have to select System, then go to Display. Then you're going to have to go to Advanced Display and choose 200 Hz refresh rate. And after that, the problem should be resolved. But if it's not, then you should check out your graphics card distributor official website. So either the AMD or NVIDIA official website, depending on which graphics card you use, and update the graphics driver to the latest version, and then the problem will most definitely be resolved for you. And that's pretty much it for this video. If it helped you, please consider subscribing to our channel, leave us a like and a comment below, and I'll see you in the next one.